Okay, in week one this week in Cisco 1, we looked at two tools that we're going to be using in CCNA 1 to do our work. And one of the tools is right here. It's Wireshark. And what I did was I didn't open the tool yet. I just went to a web browser, Internet Explorer, to the web address wireshark.org, and you can download it. Here's Get Wireshark. Just click right here, and there's a Windows installer. And if you click right here, you can download, hit save, download it to your desktop. I've already got it downloaded here, so I'll cancel and I'll show you it. Alright, so here it is. I've got it right here. I'm just going to run the installer and walk you guys through the process. And actually what I'm going to do is maybe run it as an administrator. Run as administrator. Allow. Next. I agree. Next. Next. I'm just going to hit the defaults on everything. I'm going to turn off. I'm just going to do it like that. All right. And WinPCAP, I need to install that also. This WinPCAP also needs to be installed for Wireshark to work. All right. And hit next. I need to install that. Next. I agree. Taking you through the installation process here. Here's Wireshark installing. Alright, and I'm going to run Wireshark. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to put my browser down, and here's Wireshark, and this is basically how Wireshark works. It's a it says it's a network analyzer. I've always called these types of things packet sniffers. It's going to grab packets off the network and let us look at them. So how do you use it? Well, this is the basic way you use it. You go to capture, and first you look at your interfaces, and here's my interfaces, and you can see here that I've got a few different interfaces. There's my Ethernet interface, right? I'll plug that in. It's not even active yet, so I better plug it in. All right, and right off the bat, when I plugged in my Ethernet, the cable into my Ethernet NIC, you can see it's already seeing packets that are happening here. See packets. So all I have to do is click Start right here, and I'll start capturing packets. So I hit Start, and then I'll open up this Wireshark website, and I'll go to my website, or something like that. You can go to Sheridan.edu, or I can go to yahoo.com. Right, go to Yahoo. There you go. I just opened up Yahoo, and you can see the whole time I'm capturing packets here really fast. So now capture interfaces. I need to stop. Right, I need to stop capturing. Oops. Capture interfaces. Stop. All right. So I just stopped. So now I'm done capturing. I'm done capturing packets here, and if I scroll through, you can see I captured lots and lots and lots of packets. How many packets did I capture? I captured, looks like number 619. Looks like I captured 619 packets, right? That were hitting my NIC, hitting my network interface card, my Ethernet port, and I've captured them. Well, this is useful because in Cisco we're going to be learning about all these protocols and the different layers of the OSI model, and by analyzing these packets, this is about as close as we can get to actually touching the stuff. The Cisco curriculum and networking is so abstract, it's like all these theories and layers and protocols, right? And you say, well, what's this protocol, TCP or IP? It's very abstract, but in this way, this is as close as we can get to almost touching it. We can analyze each different packet and figure out what it does by capturing that packet, looking at that packet. So it's kind of fun. The only way you can get any closer is by sticking your tongue in the socket and letting the electricity, the voltage, hit your tongue, and that's about as close as you could get to touching the packets. So like right here, we can see here, we'll just analyze some of these packets, right? We see that This right here is a packet 276 is from source IP address 216. This is probably from, maybe from Yahoo or something like that. Maybe Yahoo was much later. We'll go down here. From 216.115.104.240, right, to 10.2.39.52. Well, I know that I'm on a private network and that we use the 10 as our private network space. So this is probably me right here, and this is from a web server somewhere, right, to my computer, right? And if I scroll over, you see here TCP protocol, right? And it'll tell me a little bit about that TCP protocol, right? Over here we see this is a HTTP, also from a similar place here to my computer, and this is port 80, right? And this is port 80. This is a HTTP. This is a web page that I'm receiving, okay? And it looks like it's a picture, it's a piece of a picture here. So by analyzing, this is what we're going to learn how to do in Cisco Networking 1 is to look at these packets and talk about some of these things here. All right.